Hello guys, good afternoon. So guys, nako i-share ninyo kay nako i-order sa online unya naabot siya karon. Then I'm gonna open it and akong i-unbox. So ako ipakita niyo something very spectacular thing. So it's a very nice thing guys. And then I'm gonna show you to all of you there. Unsay salud sa ko ha. Here it is. So this is it. This is the box. And then I have ordered like, wala ni siya. Wala ni siya guys. Marag kanang something very spectacular. Gamit kini na ko mag-vlog. Then ako ipakita ha. Ako i-open this. Let's go. Let's go and watch it. So this is it. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it here. So by the way guys, kaya siya magamitin ako sa every time kung mag-vlog ni. Because nindot manggod siya kung nakatay ang option no. And then ako lang i-reveal din ako yung story. Parang ito mga very suspense. So nanira siya eh. So this is it. Only open. Naka-sealed siya guys. Hindi pa siya mga bubbles. So I'm gonna show it to you what is inside of this box. We're almost there. And then I'm gonna show you what's in here. So now guys, open. Dang! So now open up. And then I'm gonna show you what's inside. For this video, this is all about the unboxing of the very spectacular thing. And this is very useful for me. Kung ano mo i-glow guys, mauna na siya. Kung siyang di-order online, then, i-unbox, di ba? And this is it. So, mauna siya guys. Ano mo yung idea? Mauna siya ang sulod. So, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so this is it guys. This is it. So I'm gonna reveal it. So kani siya para nis mga kuano nakahibaw unsa lang LS2 mo na siya guys. Mo na siya tips. Riders mo na siya. I love it. And this is it. This is it. So this is LS2 guys. So, mo ni siya ang sabat. This is the sabat. The laman. Mo ni siya. Ito ang laman sa box. So, we're going to open it. Siya ay bago. Pindot siya. And this is it. Then, mo ni siya guys. This is the inside of the box. Actually guys, this is the half face. So, magamit na ako siya every time kung gawas ko, magamit ko sa kong motor. So this is it, half face ra siya guys. And this is LS2 mo ni iyang brand. Very light siya, nindot siya. Na siya isuwat direct always ahead. So mo ni siya guys, ang sold. Half face nga helmet for my if I'm going to use the motor outside. So kani siya, usa ni siya sa kong gamiton kanang dire lang ko sa duol. Actually na ako full face, but this is one is the half face. Kanang pang duol lang siya ba? Kung magamit ko dire ra close by at home magmotor ko. Mura na siya guys. And again, ang size ay XL and then the price is right. So I'm gonna try it. If it's and this is how it looks like. So muna siya guys. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, NelsVlog. So guys, this is it. This is my half-face helmet. Muna siya. And again, thank you so much. Muna rin siya guys, unboxing. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much and see you again next video natin mga spectacular unboxing. Thank you so much and see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Thank you. Thank you guys and see you again. God bless. God bless us all. Thank you.